If you want to learn English naturally, without memorizing grammar rules, without feeling bored, and without forcing yourself, then this video might change the way you think forever. Most people fail at learning English not because they are weak, but because they are learning it the wrong way. Today, I'm going to share 7 habits that successful English speakers follow even when they don't realize it. These habits helped millions of people speak English confidently, naturally, and without stress. Stay till the end, because habit number 7 is the one nobody talks about. Yet it makes the biggest difference. Let's begin. Habit number 1. Surround yourself with English every single day. You don't learn English by studying it. You learn English by living in it. Think about how you learned your first language. Nobody gave you grammar books. You simply heard it. Again and again. Every day. Do the same with English. Change your phone language to English. Watch YouTube videos in English. Listen to English podcasts while walking, cooking, or relaxing. Even if you don't understand everything, that's okay. Your brain is learning silently. English should not be something you study for 1 hour. It should be something that exists around you all day. Habit number 2. Learn phrases, not single words. This is a huge mistake most learners make. They learn words like happy, angry, excited, but native speakers don't speak in single words. They speak in phrases. Instead of learning happy, learn, I'm really happy about that. Instead of angry, learn, that really makes me angry. When you learn phrases, you don't need to think. Your mouth speaks automatically. English fluency is not about vocabulary size. It's about how fast you can use what you know. Habit number 3. Speak English badly on purpose. Yes, you heard that right. If you wait to speak perfect English, you will never speak at all. Every fluent speaker once spoke broken English. Every confident speaker once felt embarrassed. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Speak English even when it sounds wrong. Speak when your grammar is weak. Speak when your accent feels strange. Because every mistake is proof that you are growing. Remember this. Fluency comes after mistakes, not before. Habit number 4. Think in English, not translate. If you translate from your language to English in your head, you will always feel slow. So, start thinking in English, simple English. When you wake up, say in your mind, I'm tired. I need coffee. Today will be a good day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. Describe what you see. This trains your brain to respond in English naturally, without effort. Fluent speakers don't translate. They react. Habit number 5. Copy real native speakers. If you want to sound natural, copy natural speakers. Choose one YouTuber, one podcast host, or one movie character you like. Listen carefully to how they speak. Notice their pauses, their emotions, their expressions. Pause the video. Repeat exactly what they say. Same tone, same speed. This is called shadowing, and it's one of the fastest ways to improve pronunciation and confidence. Don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound real. Habit number 6. Build a daily English routine. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. You don't need 3 hours a day. You need 20 to 30 minutes every day. For example, 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes repeating phrases. Small steps done daily beat big steps done once. Consistency is the real secret behind fluency. If English becomes part of your daily routine, success becomes unavoidable. Habit number 7. Stop trying to sound smart. This habit changes everything. Most learners try to use difficult words to sound intelligent. But native speakers prefer simple, clear English. They don't say complicated sentences. They say natural sentences. Simple English is powerful. Simple English is confident. Simple English is fluent. When you stop trying to impress people, your English becomes smooth, calm, and natural. And that's when confidence appears. Let me tell you something important. You don't need talent to learn English. You don't need a special brain. You don't need perfect grammar. You need habits. Small habits. Daily habits. If you follow these 7 habits, English will stop feeling like a subject and start feeling like a skill. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to English Vibe, because here, we don't teach English the boring way. We teach English the real way. See you in the next video.